Welcome. I'm going to be showing you today how to use your Active Duty Fund Drive Collections Log, where you'll be entering all of your weekly contribution collections and a couple other details of information. So to get started, this is your overview page where you will log in and see this screen. You can see I have a tab here for recent actions. We had put in some fake data for testing, and you can see recently I had deleted collections for that testing, but this will actually show all of the collections and edits that you make to any pages on this site. Also, you can see we have a link here for number assigned, which you will go ahead and enter. You can see we have 2016's data here. In order to add this, you'll only need to do it once, but at the beginning of the year, you'll click Add Assigned. I'm just going to make up a number here, just strike it really low. You're going to select your office. For those of you who are regional offices, you will have a drop-down that has all of your FSOs and sub-areas available to select. So you want to make sure you select the appropriate one. And we're going to hit Save. And you'll notice here that it automatically pulls up 2017 as our campaign year, and we have 2000 assigned. Now that's just going to be used for data that is going to be charted out in your dashboard. I want to go back to that main screen, so I'm going to click App, and I'm actually going to have just the 3 areas of information that I need to add. You won't need to add your goal for the year. It's already been added, but in subsequent years you may need to change it, so you would click into here and change that information as needed. For your weekly collections, this is what you'll be going into each week. You can see I have none here because, again, I cleared that data just recently, but let's say we're starting out. We're going to click Add Weekly Collection. I'm going to select my office. Again, if you're a regional office, you want to make sure that you're selecting the appropriate FSO, or if you're an FSO with sub-areas, select the appropriate sub-area. And then you're going to enter in each value here. We have our cash, check, credit, debit, allotment, or contributions from an event, and also the number contacted for the week. So I'm just going to put values in here. You must enter at least some value. All fields are required. Even if it happens to be 0 that week, that's what you would enter. I don't want it to be 0. We're going to do 100 for all of these at least. And then down here for our week drop-down, you can see where we have each week listed out, ending in the appropriate date. So we'll go ahead and I'm going to select week 1 as though this is the first week of the campaign drive. And I'm going to save that information. And you can see now that we have our weekly collection logged for week 1 here. If by chance you had a last-minute contribution or you realized you made a mistake, you can click back into that week's collection and make edits as needed and then save. It will show you a history of any changes that you've made to it. And there you have your Active Duty Fund Drive Collection Log.